Hey, what's up, XRP holder? It's a really great update and very urgent for all XRP holder, my brother, because my brother XRP will wake up and completely go in the moon now. So let's see, my brothers, to what's the update and what's the price prediction. I will tell you, my brother, also opinion. Let's get start this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, this time the short update of this time last 7 days, minus 4.08% the price is decreased, but again they will recover, my brother, just in only in last 24 hours 6.09% the price is increased now. In last 1 hour you can see, my brother, 1.38% the price is increased now. So it's mean, so the price is completely starting increasing, and definitely the coin is completely going the profit now. So let's get started, my friend. The price prediction, definitely, but this time you can see the price update, so 0.6399, I think, for 609, my friend. This time the XRP price. So it's mean, my brothers, to XRP this time completely in the profit, and definitely after a fails this coin is starting moving upwards. So I know, my brothers, to they will completely go in the moon and they will give you a very good profit, but definitely they will take a time now. So let's see, my brothers, to how many time they take. But kindly, holder, you please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much for everyone, my brother. This time XRP, my opinion is, please hold it, don't sell it, because XRP will starting, my friends, moving. So just in only, I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit. So if you want to hold it, so I think you are doing very good now. Let's see, my brother, but kindly subscribe this channel for more this stuff, latest update and news. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.